We haven't been here since pre-COVID-19 20 lockdown. Welcome back to Blue Gowt. Someone's bent the shades. You please. Time now 15:06 on Monday 22nd of January 2024. This is for 1512 Freightliner service from London Great Way to Leeds. It's cold and wet. There's the train at Park Road, which is just around the corner up there. Mirrors, this boom light not as bright as the other ones. Take that one for instance. That's really bright. That one doesn't seem so much. Unless it's just me. Right, train's at protected signal. Jesus Christ, that is quick. We must have gone down really late then. Six 564. Next train is in about 10 minutes. Okay, the sun is out, but it's bloody raining. What's going on here? I went to you last time, so I'm going to go, oh, we'll have again then. Radar's moved from that side. The time now is 15:19. This would be 15:19 East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln Central to Peterborough. Which is literally just around the corner. We have also got the 15:19 Great British Rail Freight service from Felixstowe South to Tinsley Yard. That has been given the route. We're at Blue Gowt and we have got a green on 2 signals. There we are, 7057, 7054. can hear the train round the corner. Here's train 1 of 2. Train 2's about to come behind me. One 70532 to Peterborough. The next one's just around the corner. The next one will also probably be a double stay. This train just meeting the other train around the corner. Here's train 2 of 2. Six 707 Samfay. Next train about, well, give or take 8 minutes. Should be another 2. So we'll see you in a few minutes. The sun's now coming out. You please. The time now is 15:29. This will be 15:30. Great British reference, it's Tinsley Felixstowe. I do apologise for the slight technical difficulty there that we've just had. The closure cutting off. 66704, closest to our signal box. Next up, 15:34, Peterborough Lincoln Central. $5.10 to Central. Next train literally is 3 minutes away. He's at Windsor Road. We'll try again. Last train. Okay, we'll try again with this bit. You please. No word of a lie, this train is 60 seconds away. 15:35 for 15:41, 6 Echo 88, Milton Towers, Goout Glassworks. No word of a lie, this train is literally 60 seconds away. I'll be surprised if this closure is longer than 2.5 minutes. Yeah, I do apologise for the technical difficulties in the last closure. That does appear to now be resolved. Now my phone appears not to like the cold weather. It doesn't like wet weather either. Train, I think I can already hear behind me. Yes, I can. 66784 Keighley and Worth Valley Railway. I'm not waiting around for the next one, so thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. That was literally 2 minutes. See you next time. Thank you for watching.